to set up a 2x2 splicing of the holographic fans. This video mainly tells us how to set up a 2x2 splicing of the holographic fans. Step 1. Prepare for holographic fan devices, power adapters, mounting brackets, fixing devices, screws, a router, network cables, and a computer. Step 2. Assemble the holographic fan blades. Each blade is fixed with 3 screws. Be sure to pay attention to the male and female interfaces. Step 3. We need to assemble the brackets. The hangers on the brackets should be staggered front and back, left and right, up and down. Add shims at the high points to form a high-low pattern. Then attach the brackets to a flat wall. After hanging the equipment, be sure to tighten the screws on the base to prevent the equipment from shaking. Then check if the blade ends of the diagonally opposite devices touch. There should be about a 5 mm gap. Step 4. Connect the power and organize the cables. Step 5. Install the router. Connect the computer and router with a network cable, plugging it into the LAN port on the router. The router must be configured as follows: Wi-Fi name, XLZ password, XLZ1234556. When the devices start, you will see their status online on the router. Step 6. Splicing calibration. Run the splicing software and add the devices in a 2x2 configuration. If there are shims in the upper left corner of the splicing frame, check the box. If not, leave it unchecked. Configure the splicing. Match the SNS code on the device with the corresponding position in the splicing software. Open the angle adjustment. Select the device to adjust the angle. Then close the angle adjustment. If necessary, you can power on or off, restart, or test the position. Step 7. Add video. Select the video and click the Add button to upload it in one click.